Sorry, this is the worst possible thing I've seen.
今天是9月13号，现在是早上8点钟。今日份加日哥的早餐，上一周的 vlog 已经剪完啦，今天就可以上传了。新电脑今天就到喽。
I need a signature.
这好像不太像电脑的尺寸哎。应该是淘宝的东西。
I need a signature.
Okay.
Last name is Eng?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. 这看起来才像是我的电脑吗？
Lay it down, lay it down.
Ta-da!
Maybe you should have stood it up, huh?
I want to take this out.
Why do you... I'm sorry, this is the worst possible thing I've seen.
I don't know where even to put it.
Are you kidding me? Use some just human intelligence here. Yes, it's just, you're really making this look so complicated. Never seen these something?
Toucan.
Yeah, you didn't think that through, did you? This reminds me of the scene from Gerald's game where she goes to get the water and the dude was like, if you do this, you can't go back.
Help me! I can't put this down like this.
Then put it back down on the ground and get a better grip on it. No, you're gonna just, come on. Come on. You're a very capable person of figuring this out.
See, this just...
Then pick it up by the base. Why do you keep picking it up by the monitor? I didn't pick it up by the monitor earlier. No. Hey, pick it up by the base. From behind. No. Everybody watch this. Sam, I can't even believe how complicated you make this look. Life is fine. Think of it this way, baby.
I can't believe such a happy thing turns into like...
Think of the amount of effort that you put into just getting it here onto the desk, and then imagine that somebody had to put it in the box. And somebody had to load the box into a mail truck, and the mail truck had to get it here.
Thank you, mailman. Why didn't you tell me that earlier?
You don't have a computer that was capable of doing it.
Oh, that's right. Now I do.
Yeah.
This looks so new. 因为刚刚我们找不到停车位，所以只好我一个人出来了。Undergo 2, I think, and also this.
You got it. Why are you not home?
I don't think today is the day. That is definitely not.
Oh, come on.
Hey! Actually looks pretty legit, if you ask me, yeah. What's going on?
It's funny. Last time I saw you, you told me that you needed me in your life. And then
Oh
you just
my
disappeared.
god.
That's a terrible thing to say to a baby.
No.
Diana,
Oh god, I'm gonna cry.
it's normal, right? But I'm so tired.
Oh god.
Sober now.
Oh my god, are we really gonna watch the... Ah! You did it, Netflix. You did it. No. My hair looks almost like her hair right now. No. OK， 今天是周六。But is he too young for skateboard? Oh yeah, this is cool. I mean, he's 3 years old. Hey, look. There's a rickshaw.
Nice.
Can I have that in my bedroom?
Ready to take back for 99 cents?
Oh, this kind of look cute. Misaka.
Mikasa.
Mikasa.
You said Misaka.
Misaka.
Mikasa.
I know.
Okay. Yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah, I see him in that.
For the whole time I wasn't recording. To go get another piece of cake, we're gonna redo that again.
Okay.
Come here, baby. Baby 好凶哦。
Frosty so they can talk.
Oh, poor Rocco.
People really leave the door open enough to be concerned about it. Check back, or here, or poop.
Poop. No, you're good. There's no poop. 可以的。这边买一点。好，那我就把这个夹起来。这个扇子我好像有一颗一模一样的。刚刚真的发生了一件很惨的事情，我们拍了半截，然后电池没电了，然后没发现，衣服都没有给大家拍到。给大家看一下 Emily 的手绘，我也拍起来了，大麻花、小兔头，然后大兔头，然后吃舒淇侠女姬。就是不会写发髻的髻的 Emily，
好多的。
那这次开箱就这样子吧。真的好蠢啊！
好随便哦。
不是，我现在要去工作了，
向西方向。
差不多1个小时、1个半小时能到吧。我现在拍摄结束了，准备回去。好了。终于到家了，想去休息一下。现在是晚上8点10分。耶 ，Going to gym。今天都没录 vlog。Emily 现在已经累得不行了，我们已经拍了一整天，终于收工了。
腿要断。
不了，没有。哇，我这么可爱的吗？
你看你的眉毛多好看。
哦，是哦。哎，怎么是加了眉毛吗？还是怎样
？P 呢？就是，
好吧。哎，我蛮想去健身的，但是实在就是动不了了，就算了吧，明天再去吧。人的意志就是如此的薄弱。